कायदो सुवेवस्थेचेर सरकारान नजर घालपाक जाय. खरें कितें तें मुखार येवपाक जाय आनी तें येतलें म्हूण विश्वास रामाचेर जाल्ले हल्ले विशीं विचारतकूच राज्यपाल उलयलो.
Law and order government is to do it. Government is, I am sure they are attending to all this. The whole thing is, how do you get into at the truth? The truth should govern it. That's it. Huh?
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
ताणें आज पणजे परशुराम पुतळ्याक भेट दिली.
It's a lovely place to work. Now you have your heritage, you have your culture. I've been fortunate that one of the first few things that I was able to do was to honor the memories of the brave hearts of Goa. For me, I've been learning I've become a student of Goan culture. So I appreciate it. Very friendly people. And how did this land come up? According to mythology and belief of a large number of humans, Lord Parshuram had a role. The story as it goes, I don't have to tell you, you all know it.
प्रुडंटा खातीर स्वप्नील तारी.